When we buy a t-shirt, we compare many different options. We look at the color combination, etc., and then we choose what we think will fit us the best. Similarly, when we are going to invest, we should look at different asset classes and see what suits us the best. It can get a little difficult because we invest in different modes, sometimes across different time periods. So it is important to set a method for comparison. The first step is to take a baseline product, which could be fixed deposits because these are generally safe and give us a steady return. Today, if I approach a bank and put in money, they'll give me 7% for a 1 year period, which is simple to understand. But if I go for a 3 year period, also, they'll give me 7%. However, this is 7% per annum. That means that if I put in 1 lakh, I'll get 7,000 at the end of first year. In the second year, I'll get 7% on the 1 lakh principal as well as the 7,000 rupees which I invested, so on and so forth. This is known as compounding. Now, let's say I have another option of investing this rupees 1 lakh, which is into gold. 10 years back, I had purchased 10 grams of gold at 30,000 rupees. Today is 62,000 rupees. So I go to Google, I put an annualized return calculator search. And personally, I like the ICICI Direct one. So I go there, I input the values. And I see that on a 10-year period, I've earned at 7.53% return. Less than what you expected, but still, it gives me a fair idea on what is a past return of gold. Now, I can assume that for the next 3 years, I may get a higher return or a lower return. Similarly, I can assume different rates of return for different asset classes like mutual fund stocks based on past returns. What is important is that I set the comparison, I understand the risk, I set different measures for evaluating. Using these, I put a plan in place, I execute it, and then I go back and recheck my portfolio against these measures and tweak it if required. So I hope this helped you to understand the concept of annualized returns. If you have any doubts, please drop a message or reach out to us on our contact points. Thanks for watching.